Imagine a world without traffic jams. A world where your morning commute is a smooth, swift journey through the air. This is the promise of flying cars, a technology poised to revolutionize urban life as we know it. No longer will we be bound by the limitations of roads and traffic signals. Instead, our cities will transform into three-dimensional landscapes, with flying cars zipping between towering skyscrapers. Commuting will become an enjoyable experience. Imagine soaring above the city, enjoying panoramic views on your way to work or a night out. This is the future that awaits us, a future where technology liberates us from the constraints of the ground. For decades, flying cars have been a staple of science fiction, capturing our imaginations in films and literature. But what was once a distant dream is now rapidly becoming a reality. Advances in electric propulsion, battery technology, and autonomous flight control are paving the way for the first generation of commercially viable flying cars. These vehicles, sleek and futuristic in design, are already undergoing testing and development around the world. The transition from science fiction to reality is being driven by innovation and a collective desire for a more efficient and sustainable mode of transportation. The dream of taking to the skies is no longer a fantasy. It is an achievable goal, one that will redefine the future of urban mobility. The advent of flying cars will necessitate a radical reimagining of our cities. Urban planners and architects are already envisioning a future where buildings are designed with skyports, designated landing and takeoff areas for flying cars. These skyports, strategically located atop skyscrapers and other elevated structures, will serve as hubs for aerial transportation, connecting people and places with unprecedented ease. The traditional city grid will be transformed into a multi-layered network of air corridors, allowing for seamless travel in 3 dimensions. This shift towards a vertical urban layout will free up valuable ground space that can be repurposed for parks, green spaces, and pedestrian zones. Imagine cities where the streets are no longer dominated by cars, but are instead vibrant public spaces where people can connect and enjoy their surroundings. The rise of flying cars presents both challenges and opportunities for the environment. One of the most promising aspects is the potential for electric propulsion to significantly reduce carbon emissions. Imagine a future where our skies are filled with electric flying cars, silently gliding through the air, leaving behind no harmful exhaust fumes. This shift towards cleaner energy sources will be crucial in mitigating the impacts of climate change and creating healthier urban environments. However, the environmental impact of flying cars will depend on various factors, including the source of electricity used to power them, and the efficiency of air traffic management systems. Careful planning and sustainable practices will be essential to ensure that this revolutionary technology contributes to a cleaner, greener future. The widespread adoption of flying cars will have far-reaching economic and social implications. New industries will emerge, from manufacturing and maintenance to air traffic control and infrastructure development. These industries will create countless job opportunities, stimulating economic growth and transforming the global workforce. The convenience and efficiency of flying cars will also boost productivity and connectivity, fostering innovation and collaboration across geographical boundaries. However, it is crucial to ensure that the benefits of this technology are accessible to everyone, not just a privileged few. Addressing potential inequalities in access and affordability will be paramount to creating a more equitable society. Managing the complex flow of air traffic in a future filled with flying cars will require sophisticated systems and technologies. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, will play a pivotal role. AI-powered air traffic control systems will be capable of monitoring and coordinating the movements of thousands of flying cars simultaneously, ensuring safe and efficient navigation through our urban airspace. These systems will leverage real-time data, predictive analytics, and autonomous decision-making to optimize flight paths, prevent collisions, and manage air traffic flow. The use of AI will be crucial in creating a safe and reliable air transportation system for flying cars, instilling confidence in the public and paving the way for the seamless integration of this transformative technology into our daily lives. The advent of flying cars heralds a new era in urban living. It is a future where we are no longer tethered to the ground, where the sky becomes an extension of our cities, and where the possibilities for transportation and urban design are limitless. As we stand on the cusp of this exciting new frontier, it is imperative that we approach this technological revolution with careful consideration and a commitment to sustainability, equity, and safety. The future of urban mobility is in the air. Let us embrace this transformative technology and work together to create a future where our cities are not only smarter and more efficient, but also more livable and inspiring for all.